Hello, folks and professionals, students. Let's welcome back another important update. This is the update from S4 HANA 2021. You can able to watch on your screens. So why I'm saying must new? A new feature or field added for storage location in SAP S4 HANA 2021 onwards. That means 2021 you can find, 2022 you can find, 2023 probably. If 2024 release, that also you can able to find the same feature. What is the advantage of this feature? I'll explain you the background of this feature. Okay, so it's a simple feature, but it has its its own power actually. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel. And currently I'm holding 5,000 plus students, 789 successful reviews, either good or bad. It's up to you. Okay. So all these are the different courses, especially someone is looking in job trials. You better try this course, idocs. It is very, very important. All these are pure practicals and theory. More you will get practicals, you will get the confidence to work on the system and how to write a functional specification. This is useful for support, enhancement and implementation projects. And this is advanced level. If you would like to know the pricing at standard, you are like me, wanted to get the depth, you can try this course. All these are the different courses. As a backup, SD courses in ECC, 103 hours. I should recommend this course for everyone. If you are professional also, you just finish 103 hours, then rate me like this. Okay. Some fools will be there. I cannot help it out. I cannot satisfy everyone in this world. Okay. Now let's get into the topic. Okay. So let me share this one. 1 second. So let me maximize this. Let's try to understand this. SPRO. It's slow, right? Yeah, as expected. Sometimes system is slow. Okay, let's click on the reference IMG. The same place where you are defining the storage location, right? Let me try to show you here. So let's go to the definition. Go to material management. Of course, there is no difference between your purchasing and sales once you get 7+ years of experience, but you must know, of course, this is the MM configuration. Let me add my knowledge. So if you take any one of the storage location, if you take, you can see this is 001. This is the sales storage location is defined. These two columns are their initial versions of ECC and now also. And apart from that, after few versions, they have added address of storage locations. And after that, they added a business system for MBS. Now they added this column. This is the update. You can able to see this, whether your storage location, for example, how this comes into picture. It might be the recommendation from many clients, or the experience, the evolution of your SAP. Okay, from ECC to S4 HANA, they have seen many clients in ECC. If you see this, if the storage location is valid, you have to choose this blank almost. E no longer valid, deprecated. First, you try to understand these two fields. Valid means still you can able to use this storage location. Okay, for your stock posting or else your transactional process, more or less, if you talk about that. No longer valid means it is useful for display in your drop down, okay, for storage location selection, but you cannot able to use this one. Okay, deprecated mode, this is something like, if you see, storage location not only plays key role at the time of subdivision of your plant, the storage location will be part of your warehouse also. Okay, so absolute means you cannot see, it won't be useful at all. Such cases you will use this one. Warning, it will give you the basically warning. This is basically the error. Okay, deprecated. So Then what is the advantage in this SAP evaluation? Why this feature got added by S4 HANA? Okay, as far as my understanding, if you look at in your ECC older clients, certain times, suppose they have a storage locations across your plant or else same plant or multiple plants at multiple locations. So what they used to do is certain storage locations, suppose after a few years, they don't want to use it. Maybe the storage location is specific to certain product group. They have completely shut down the business. There is no point to choose that storage location. It will create a lot of, you know, positive and negative inventories issues for side, especially SD side also. Either inbound or outbound you take, okay, your COGS or inventory accounts, a lot of issues will comes into picture. To manage that, what they used to do is in olden days, suppose if any storage location they are not using, they're not deleting. So they are adding the description here instead of sale is there, some description is there, no longer in use. Okay, currently not in use, some description they are updating and they're moving the transport so that they'll come to know in the drop down. And if it is have halfway of stocks or full stocks or in stock, suppose still no longer use stock, it is creating a lot of impact on your reports. Such a case, I think probably, not probably, 100%, for this valid reason, if you try to read the blogs also, you will come to know the same thing. So they have introduced this one. Okay, no longer use or deprecated. So probably I will do one valid session regarding this and we'll have a discussion. Probably I will take some 2 or 3 storage locations in future video. Please don't miss this. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel and try to find different set of courses in Udemy at my end at affordable rate. I don't use the word called cheap, affordable rates, so that you can brush up your skills solid way. Okay, so that's all for today. Probably after some time I'll try to add storage locations and how valid or invalid will work. I'll show you. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. Wish you all the best.